Howdy, howdy, everybody. How are y'all today? Today is April the 9th, something like that. I think it's April the 9th. It's a Wednesday, It's Thursday. Lord, I don't even know what day it is. This quarantine's got us all locked up. We just ain't got no idea about nothing anymore. I want to say thank y'all for coming back and watching another video from me. We got a lot of eBay work to do today. I'll show you all my sales here in a minute. Yesterday I only had 4 sales and I filmed them, but I just couldn't get enough to justify putting out a video. So I'm gonna throw them in today's video too, so they'll be at the end of this video. And one of the sales I didn't have. So what do you do if you have an item that sells and you can't find it? It's maybe broken or damaged while it was in storage, or you just don't have it. What do you do then? We're gonna go over that here in a minute. If y'all are new to my channel, my name is Colton. I'm a full-time reseller. I sell on eBay, Amazon, and Poshmark. Y'all come on. Alrighty, guys and gals, so here's our sales for today. You can see we got a lot going out, buddy. Gonna take all day packing this stuff. Alrighty, so here's what we're working with today. I don't know what about them. We interrupt this broadcast for a special announcement. That's my little girl over there. That ain't the announcement though. If y'all are looking pinned up in the house and you running out of stuff to watch, I want to give a shameless plug here. Go over to You Gotta Be Kidding right here, his YouTube channel, and give his videos a watch and subscribe to him. He's putting out grilling and cooking videos, recipes, and he put out a video the other day of barbecue beer can burgers. I had never seen it done that way and it looked amazing. So if y'all want something to watch, try out some new recipes while you quarantine, go over and check out his channel. That's my brother, Brandon's his name. And he's just starting up the YouTube. He's gonna be uploading a lot, putting out good cooking videos. So if y'all stuck at home, go over and give his channel a watch if you don't mind. I appreciate it. Back to your regular scheduled programming. This were a bunch of them Barbie clothes and doll clothes I had. They were in a box over. I got a bunch of them. This is probably like 1/10 of what I got it. And I took the whole box home and started washing them. And I did this first little load here just to see if they were going to come apart or anything. And they didn't. They did good. And they kind of musty smelling. And some of them had some stains on them. So I just threw them in the washing machine on gentle. Let them soak a little bit and then just washed them and dried them. So we're fixing to empty all these out. I'm going to be in the doll clothes business for a little bit. Get out of there. So yeah, some of this stuff will end up, if it's stained or anything like this, see how it's got that red stain on it? I'm just going to set it to the side, and then all the stained stuff or discolored will go into a separate lot by itself, and then I'll sell them as, you know, stained or whatever. But mainly this stuff, I'm just going to go through here now and see what I got. Pair this stuff together. I don't know, cut some strings. I may need to hand wash them next time. The next load. Look at that. I don't know if any of them's like brand name. Well, some of them are, I'm sure, but some of them ain't got no name. So yeah, that's what I'm about to tackle now. Alrighty, so I got them separated into the lots. I'm gonna do and saved what I could. And this stuff right here's got some stains on it and stuff, so I'm gonna see if my daughter wants to mess with them. And so I got it divided right now into lots. I'm gonna do like these are all shorts, pants, jackets, skirts, dresses. These are like the bigger doll stuff, except for this little hat. And then more bigger doll clothes. And then basically I'm just gonna take pictures of these little lots like that, and then I'll bring them over here, and we're putting them in these bags, just these generic twist tie bags, putting them down in there. Like this is a lot of shirts and stuff, putting a thank you card in there using this impulse sealer, sealing them up just like that. So then we're gonna take them right here. We got these 30 up labels, and we just split them down the middle, as y'all can see that with the box cutter. And then we're gonna label them, and we're gonna start with the first one. We're gonna label it as B01. Okay, and that's gonna be for Barbie 01. That's our first lot, and I'll put this number in the custom SKU. Just put that little sticker on there. I'll put that number on the custom SKU so I know exactly which one it is. And then we're gonna make us a little box for these. So we got this old priority box. It's busted, see that there? Just so y'all know, so we're gonna tape that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this as my Barbie box. And then we'll just throw this one in here starting off. And then as we add more to it, we'll fill it up. And if we need a bigger box eventually, we'll get one. And we'll just set that for now. We'll set it right up here on our shelf. Just like that. And we're gonna keep going. So I can say I got a lot more of these Barbie clothes, like a lot more of them. So we're gonna get them gone through eventually. But I gotta do some kind of listing today, I mean. So this will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus the one I did over there, it's 8, 9. I'll do this remote. And then this one I'm doing separate because it's really cool. So that's 10. Set that there. And then in one of these videos coming out, I'm gonna actually, here in the next couple of days, we're gonna go through all this stuff and I'm gonna purge out the junk, you know, that ain't worth selling. And I'll donate it next door. I mean, because some of this stuff's just junk. Like if it's a certain, if it's, say, $8 or less plus shipping, I'm just gonna donate it or lot it together with something else I can make money on. I don't know, we'll see. But maybe get that right there, that projector listed today. I need to get it up. It's worth a pretty good amount and go through all these barrels. But that'll come up in a later video. Let's just keep at it. I was back here in our stuff and I was going through some of this N64 stuff, and I pulled out a console because I'm gonna hook it up over here. And I picked this one up, and listen, this is the one I was gonna hook up back there. But there's something in it and it sounds like money. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it is. Now I gotta get my screwdriver. I think they're over here now. I don't remember which one it is. Let's see what's in this thing. Let me get it unscrewed and I'll come back to you. Alrighty, here we go. All that for a freaking penny. What year is that? 2001. That was it. Man, that's a disappointment. I wonder how that even got in there. Some little kid stuck it in there, sure did. Now I gotta put this thing back together. Alrighty, so now I'm fixing to, been working on this thing, just got it hooked up, about to test it. It's just an overhead projector that lifts up, real high dollar technology, see that? Just a mirror. But I ain't sure how all this stuff works yet. Well, it comes on and it's projecting. I can sit here and make shadow puppets. Let's see. Let me see. What does that do? So yeah, it's working. See the light down in there? I think this comes up. I don't know. But it's working. That makes it brighter. And this moves it up and down.
The further back you are, the bigger the projection.
Real high dollar stuff here.
What? I can't. I ain't done fucking this forever. What's the rabbit?
Alrighty, everybody. So yesterday I sold some red diamond tea bags. You'll see them up here. And that's a replenishable item for me. I usually keep 2 or 3 on hand, but if I don't have any, usually I just go to the store and pick them up. They're $1.89 a box, I think, and then I'll buy them, ship them out, and make like 10 bucks. So, which is really good for an RA item, and I probably shouldn't be telling y'all about that stuff. But it don't sell very fast on eBay, but on Amazon it flies out the door. But with this, so yesterday I sold this, and I didn't even know my listing was still active on it after my last one. I knew I was out, and I should have took my listing down, but I didn't. And it sold again yesterday, and I don't have any. So with this pandemic going on, I can't just run to the store and buy another box like I normally would, because I'm not getting out in this junk. You know, I ain't doing it. I ain't a-doing it. Well, so since I can't do that, what are my options? Maybe you sold an item and you've lost it, okay? Or it got broken while it's in, you know, storage, or it got resold somehow and you already sold it and you don't have it anymore. How do you handle that? Well, really, there's 2 options. Some people will say 3. I'm gonna tell you 2 because I don't agree with the third option. But first option is you contact the buyer and you're honest. You say, hey, this item should not have been listed. I screwed up. I apologize. Keep saying you're sorry to them. Tell them it was 100% your fault, and reimburse them, refund them immediately, and hope for the best, you know, that everything goes smoothly and they don't leave you a negative. Option number 2, and this is the one I choose more often than not if I can, if it's not a one-off item, is you drop ship the item. What I mean by drop shipping, basically these tea bags, I just typed in Google red diamond tea bags, and I found a company. Amazon's out of stock right now, eBay's out of stock right now, so you can make a killing if you go to the store and buy this stuff. But I found this company out in Texas, and I just ordered it from them out in Texas. And put them on, that's better. So I ordered it from the company out in Texas, and doing this, you're not gonna make a lot of money. I mean, I broke even, you know. I mean, I'm paying somebody else that's marking the stuff up just to make my customer happy. So I went on there, ordered it, and then the shipping information, type in your customer's address and name. That way they ship it directly to the customer. And you can do that with a lot of stuff. If you go on Amazon, if you go on eBay, you can do the same thing, just have it shipped to your customer instead. And basically with that, just cross your fingers and hope for the best. It should be all right. They'll get their item. I didn't get a defect on my account canceling, and everything should be good, because if you do option 1, you're going to get a defect on your account for canceling that order. So to avoid the defect, drop ship the item if you can. If you can't do either, you know, you don't want to do either one of them, some people say option 3, which is you lie. I ain't the kind of businessman that wants to run my business on a lie, so I don't even recommend that. But some people will say, just go on there, say if you sold a pair of shoes and you're selling a bunch of Nikes and you already sold them and you lost them, you can word it to make the buyer ask for a cancel. Say, hey, I just noticed I went to pull your item, they got damaged while in inventory, but really you don't even have them. Or they'll say, I just went to pull your item and I noticed I listed the size wrong. It's actually a size 12 instead of a 10. What would you like me to do? Would you like me to cancel and I can process a refund immediately? You know, mine. And then they get the buyer to ask for the cancellation. They cancel it, no defect, and you just lied out your tail to get that done. Why would you do that? That's not the way it should be done, but to each their own. I mean, if you want to lie, you lie. I'm not gonna lie. So basically, I run by two options: man up and cancel it, take the defect, or find another way to get the product to the buyer and hope for the best. So I went with hope for the best and drop shipped the item. It's getting sent from Texas to the guy here in Alabama, and he should be happy with it. And if he ain't, I'll take care of that. I mean, when these problems arises, don't drag it out. Take care of it right then and there. Get it done. But that's my rant for today. I'll get out of my soapbox. Alrighty, we're gonna pick back up. My brother just called me. Thank you for calling during the video clip. I appreciate it. Anyways, look how pretty it is. See all them little yellow flowers? Weeds, but they're pretty. Y'all see this over here? That's a cotton gin. Right there where they gin cotton. Quit whiting out. It's just about a 1/10 of a mile down the road next to the house here. They'll bring the cotton over here in the bales and put them in these spots and then take them in there and de-seed them and all that and clean it. Well, they used to. They shut it down this past year, but they still store over here. So it's pretty nice out here, as you can see. A bunch of pretty weeds. I want to thank y'all for watching, and during these times of quarantine here and this virus going on, I want to encourage y'all to slow down. Don't be focusing so much on your eBay or Amazon. Take this time to reset. Spend time with your wife, spend time with your husband or kids, if you got them, dogs, and just enjoy life right now. We're in uncertain times, and just slow down and take advantage of it. I mean, heck, it ain't like y'all are getting drafted. Y'all just getting told to stay at home. That's my kind of thing. I can stay at home, buddy. But yeah, get outside, enjoy nature. Yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching. The sales are going there. Actually, my sales from yesterday, I'll put them in after this, and then after that, I'll put in the pretty flyers. Or I'll put in the pretty flyers and then the sales. If y'all want to see them, that wind's a-blowing. And yeah, we'll see you guys and gals tomorrow. So you all take care, stay safe, and yeah, let's beat this virus's butt. See you guys and gals tomorrow. First thing we're pulling is a Broadman hymnal, and it's gonna be right here. So this right here is just a Broadman hymnal. I don't know what year it's from. Let me see. It's in pretty rough condition. See that there? And for this, we ended up getting $6.70 plus shipping on that. 1940. So happy about that. So we're gonna set that over here. Now we got to pull a CD. It is called Silk Lose Control, and it'll be right here. Right here it is. This one right here, it's got a cracked case. See that right there? That was disclosed though. And for this, we got $6.74 plus shipping. And then the third order going out today is this right here. Go ahead and set it over here. And let me grab these cords to go with it. These two right here. It's a JVC XL-V118 compact disc player. Paid $5 for this in the estate sale. We got $52.49 free shipping on that. It's not too heavy at all, actually. So we'll get that packed up and sent out.